All right, we got this one to install. I'm going to put the CPE actually up on a tree right next to the power outlet, which is perfect. Gets height. Don't have to worry about getting a pole. And it's already programmed. I've already got the box with all the equipment in it. Got it labeled the 66 on it, knowing which one it goes to. Pretty much I should be able to plug it in, activate their account, drop the equipment in it, and within a matter of 10 minutes they should have internet and enjoy internet without having to be on their hotspot. Just checking, be sure I'm not covering up the microphone the way I got it held up here. Possibly I am, I don't know. But see if I can sit up here without covering up the microphone on the phone and can still sit up. I don't know. Woohoo! Oh, maybe. Hopefully you can still hear me. But yeah, that's what I'm doing on this one. Orange, orange, white, orange, orange, white, green. But then I got to go look. Most likely I probably have to go to Lake Waccamaw and check out one there. It went out about 11:30 last night, and they text me about 1 minute till midnight. Said they need their internet because they use it for work. So I told them, I said, with what I got going on, unless I can shift something around, it won't be until 9-10 o'clock tonight before I actually get there. But I got a few things kind of shifted around, so we're going to possibly get up there before daylight is disappeared. So we will see. But that will be in another video. Right now we're going to get this one done, and then I got to come right back here tomorrow and install the very next door. This is lot 66, then I got 67. I had plans of doing that today, but just not enough time. Just not enough time. Because the 67, if I did it today, it would be ahead of schedule what I told them I'll probably be due. So it's not like I told them it's going to be done today and I'm not going to be able to. So I'm still ahead of schedule on that. But this rain has been putting me behind like crazy. Let's see, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Looks good to me. All right, put this end on here. Slide this bad boy on. Be sure I got it all in the right order. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue. Whoop. See, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Yep. Let's see here. Get all them wires all lined up to come through there. Come on. Come on. Just take them and twist them at the end, make them all one. So that'll help a little bit. There we go. Pull them through. Crimp them down. Okay. Internet terminated. All right. Now we'll go and plug this into the radio. Mount the, put the radio up there. Get it done. Put the cover on it. Run it down the tree. Run it into the box. Mount the box. Plug it in. Activate count. See if it's going to be that easy. All right, we got the CPE up there. Got the wire ran down. Now I got to get the box here mounted, plugged in. Used the last little bit of wire we had here. I was debating if it was going to be long enough. It's just about perfect. So let's go get the box mounted, put the end on it, get it done. Okay, we got this one set up. Got the box here. Use a PVC pipe instead of wood, so I don't have to worry about decaying of wood. Even though I had some that's supposed to be direct burial and everything, still it just didn't hold up. And now I ran the wire, just sit it up under there to their power cord for the RV, and then ran a tree, got it zip tied there and screwed into the tree. Then it goes up into the CPE, and it's getting like negative 48 on one and then negative 52 on the other channel. So now I'm going to get my laptop and log into it, activate their account, drop the equipment in it, and they should be ready to go. See if it's going to work this easy. Hopefully it does. Alright, this one's supposed to have a 20 down and 2 up. So let's see if we, and it's actually around this RV between that one and this one, halfway back. And I'm sitting in the back of the RAV and see if we can get the 20 down and 2 up. Got 39 peanuts, good. I'd be surprised if I can get exactly 20. Going around through the RV, through the vehicle, but if I move it here, it's doing good. 13, do another one. See if we can get up. Yeah, we're getting the up low. We'll do another one and see if we can get that 20 down. Sitting in the back of the RAV. Let's try again. Uh, 15. It's trying. It has to go through 16. So let's get it out of the RAV here and see actually what happens. That's what we do. Let's do it again. Because it's actually way over there. So let's do this again. There we go. Yeah, that'll work. All right. Now we tell them the password. Be sure to at least connect one device. Be sure it's connected. And let them do a speed test. And we'll go from there. Another one down. Alright, last thing but not the least. Everything's in the box. Plain and simple. Got your power supply, PoE. Goes in the air tube. And the air tube feeds the Ethernet wire right on up to the CPE. Plain and simple. Get that to go on there. Come on. There we go. Now it locked in. The teeth here didn't actually grab into the thing. It just wanted to spin. See, now it's locked. There we go. Okay, all locked. Get ladder pull up, and that's it. And then possibly go to Lake Waccamaw and work on that one. We'll see if he's still going to be there.